Adivasis and stereotyping. In India, we usually showcase Adivasi communities in particular ways. Thus, during school functions or other official events or in books and movies, Adivasis are invariably portrayed in very stereotypical ways, in colorful costumes, headgear, and through their dancing. This leads people to believe that they are primitive and backward without any development in education and civilization. Did you remember that in class 6 how stereotyping particular communities can lead to people discriminating against such groups? Adivasis and their development. Metal ores like iron, copper, gold, and silver, and many invaluable materials came from forests. Forests covered the major part of our country till the 19th century, and the Adivasis had a deep knowledge of all the forest materials. So, empires heavily depended on Adivasis for the crucial access to forest resources. Adivasis today are somewhat marginal and powerless communities. In the pre colonial world, they were traditional ranged hunters, gatherers, and nomads and lived by shifting agriculture, also cultivating in one place. Adivasis have been increasingly forced through economic changes, forest policies, and political force applied by the state and private industries. They wanted to migrate them as workers in plantation, at construction sites, in industries, and as domestic workers. For the first time in history, they do not control or have much direct access to the forest territories. Forest lands have been cleared for timber and to get land for agriculture and industries. These are taken over for mining and other large industrial projects. According to official figures, more than 50% of persons displaced due to mines and mining projects are tribals. Another recent survey report by organizations working among Adivasis shows that 79% of persons displaced from the states of Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Jharkhand are tribals. India has 104 national parks covering 40,501 square kilometer and 543 wildlife sanctuaries covering 1,18,918 square kilometer. But these are the areas where tribals originally lived but were evicted from. When they continue to stay in these forests, they are termed encroachers. Losing their lands and access to the forest means that tribals lose their main sources of livelihood and food. Adivasis have migrated to cities in search of work where they are employed for very low wages in local industries or at building or construction sites. Adivasis are displaced from their lands, they lose much more than a source of income. Often, this process of dispossession and displacement can be painful and violent.